everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Metria Nikole. In today's video I'm going to be showing you a electric spin brush a company by the name of Alloyman has sent me to review for you guys, and I want to give you my honest opinion. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Okay, so this is the package that was sent to me. It is an electric spin brush. It goes up to 49 feet, and I wanted to show you guys what was all included in this package. It does come with 2 battery chargers, so once one dies, if you need to continue to use it, you have a second one that you can use. And it comes with a wall adapter. Now my package did come with a world plug. It did not come with a US adapter, so I'm not 100% sure if the ones that you purchase off of Amazon are going to come with this plug or a US plug. And I did find out that I can purchase a world adapter from like Home Depot or Lowe's, and from what I've seen online, they are about $8 to $12. So I'll do that this weekend to ensure I'm able to recharge the battery. You guys have 4 different spin brushes that come with the electric spin brush. This is a big round brush. This is the large flat brush. I can see me using this for more of a larger surface area like my shower, and that's what I'm going to test it out on. This is like more of a round, small brush, round head. It's a small one. So I'm gonna try these probably more on the corners of my shower. And this is a small flat head brush. And I wanna try these on my bathroom counters just so you can see the difference. So it's a big difference between the 2. This kind of is like in the center. So I'm gonna be testing out that. And this is the actual bottom piece that attaches all the different brushes. You have this center piece, and you just simply attach whichever head that you would like. You can hit this button, press this button, and it bends the head down. I would say this is maybe like a 45-degree angle. And it does come with 2 extender poles. You pretty much attach these to each other. They have grooves right here on the side that match this, and you can just simply attach that, screw this down, and you can use this if you want to do something like extended, like maybe your shower. That's something I'm probably gonna do, so I'm not having to bend down. If you've seen in my previous deep clean bathroom videos, I'm always scrubbing on the bottom of the shower floor, which I don't mind. I kind of enjoy it, but it'll be nice to see how much faster I can get done with my cleaning with more of a spin brush. And this is what attaches basically to this end if you don't want to use the extender. And again, they have grooves on the inside, on both sides that match. They show the arrows, and you just lock it in place. So this is just your standard if you don't want to use the extended version. And this also comes with it where it's basically a holder that you can place on the side of your wall if you want to hold this in place. And it comes with instruction manual, and everything has been in this. All the contents are in there. So if you're interested in seeing how everything works, my honest review, I'm very honest. I wouldn't tell you guys anything I would not purchase myself. If you're interested, just stay tuned and we'll get started. brush only has two settings, is either low or high, and there is a big difference between the two. I'm just showing you guys a quick example of how I previously washed my shower or cleans my shower. I was always on my knees. Now I'm going to demonstrate how I'm using the electric spin brush. I am using the extender for the shower, and it gave great results. I wanted to jump in and show you the different speeds of the scrubber. The first one is low, and you're getting ready to see high, so you can see the difference of the speed. I wanted to add that if you want some more soap on your shower, you will need to add more product with a sponge. This is a scrubber. It is not a sponge, so it does not hold product like a sponge would, but just a suggestion for you. And just like that, you guys, I'm finished. This really cut down my scrubbing time. The setting that was best was low. The only time I really needed to do the high setting was on the bottom of the shower. But overall, 2 thumbs up. I just wanted to jump on and let you know that I did not use the scrub brush to clean my toilet. It's just a personal preference for myself. I prefer to use separate tools when cleaning my toilet. I use a disposable scrub brush for the inside of the toilet, and I use a different sponge. And I'm just showing you guys the finishing of my cleaning my bathroom. It has so much shine, and I believe it really helped with the scrub brush for this. I hope you guys truly enjoyed this review. I actually like it. I feel like it cut my cleaning, if not in half the time, only because when I scrub by hand, I'm on the ground and I'm scrubbing, and then, you know, sometimes your knees start to hurt, so you try to change positions. But with this having an extender, I was pretty much able to almost stand completely straight up, right? And with this one, I feel like it's really good for corners. This is really good for flat surfaces, and just larger surface areas. And this one worked really well. These two worked really well for my sink. This little thing, I was not sure if it was going to be able to get in between the faucet, and it worked out very well, because the other thing that I use, you guys know I use the handheld, but I really felt like this was a really good buy. I mean, it would be a really good purchase, because it cuts your cleaning into half. If you're one of the type of people who like to scrub things and not be on your hands and knees, it's really good. It does have a little bit of weight to it, but it's not heavy where it's unmanageable. And it has the low and high speed. Most of the time I kept it on low speed. I felt like high speeds, I was probably more of the bottom of the shower that I had to, only because I put that Ajax on it and just getting a good scrub to make sure everything got up. But that would be like the huge plus on this, is just that it cuts my cleaning, like a deep clean, in half. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Again, this is Alloyman. They have different scrubs, and when you purchase this one, you get the 4 heads, the 2 battery adapters, and the extender. This is the standard size. The extender, you can see where you can reach up high and you can reach down low. And all the links will be in the description box, and I'll see you guys next time. I'm gonna finish up putting everything in my bathroom and enjoy the rest of my evening. If you guys made it this far in the video, thank you so much. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I hope you truly enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good night. Bye.